Guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Omapoj Beauty and Skincare HBS. Today I'll be showing you how to make your head gel as usual, your gele. We're in this festive period, and majority of us are looking for a way to tie their head gel to church, to parties and all that. So today I'll be showing you how to do that. If you are interested, please stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're new here, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please turn on the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. So let's get to work. The first thing I'll be doing, I'll be folding the tip of the gele like 1 inch inside like this, all through from the beginning to the end. So the theory for this gele is 50-50. 50-50 means that you're going to divide the gele into 2 equal halves like this. So it means that you're going to divide it into 2 equal halves like this. So that's that. Then let me make the pleats. If you want to know how to make pleats, please watch my most watched video. That's how to make round gele. I actually made the pleats on my head, so I explained how to make pleats. So I'll be making the pleats from on my leg, or okay, let me just make it like this so you can see. So this is how to make pleats. Your 4 fingers will be inside the gele while your 2 index will be outside, and you'll be using your 2 thumb will be outside, and you'll be using your index finger to bring it out like this. That's how to make a pleat. So you do this way. This is the first pleat. You can't see it that way. How do I go about it so you can see it? Okay, so this is the first one. So you use your index again. I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to make it nice on my leg when I'm done doing this. So I'm going to make, like you can see, I'm going to make like 4 pleats. So I'll just continue on my leg, so I'll be fast with this. So I'm still making the pleat. Just stay tuned. Do not go anywhere. And please guys, please watch my adverts. If you see any adverts on my video, please do not skip it. Just watch that advert. You are helping me with that, and I will be able to, you are supporting me, and I will be using that fund to, and I'll be using that to fund my channel. So please support me by watching all my adverts. So here we go. I have made my pleats. So this is what I have. You can see the pleats. So I'll just be placing it on my head, just like this. So just follow the pleats that you have made. So that will be that. Then you hold it with your hand, then you do the same for the other side. Then So this is my right hand. The right hand will be up and the left hand will be down when you're turning it from behind. So I hope you get that. So you have to make it firm. Hold the two with your arm, then you can now style it well the way you want it to be. My earring fell off, so then you move it to your hairline. I have braid on, so it's kind of difficult to move. And please make sure the gele is covering your two hairs, so that it doesn't fall off when you are tying it. So having done that, I'm going to keep this. I'm going to work with the one on the left first. So what you do is this last edge, you just pull it out so that you have excess to work with. Then, like I used to do in my other videos, you make the pleat from here. You see this pleat, this is the extension of it. So you just follow it. It's very simple. Just follow the pleat like this. So simple, like this. Okay, so you just follow the pleat. It's really simple. Okay, so I think I have 4. Then I'm going to carry it. Then we continue from there. This is the first one, then the second, the third, and the fourth. So then you bring this down. You bring this down. So what you do is you continue with the pleat. Just continue with the pleat. I just want to make something that is not too difficult. I don't have a style in mind, but I just want to make something that is not too difficult, that you guys can just, make on a Sunday or weekends if you're going to parties, for events and all that. So I'm going to pleat the whole of this side. It's going to be two-sided gele. So I'm sweating a lot. So if you follow this step by step, you're going to achieve this. It's simple. It's not difficult at all. But maybe because I'm used to this, I do this often. I'm a makeup artist and I'm good at tying gele. You can call me a gele guru. So I do this often, so it's kind of easy for me. Okay, so that's that. So I'm just going to set it. After having done with the pleats, I'm just going to set it. So I'm just going to set it on each other. So I'm using this, my 4 fingers. Your thumb will be outside, then the 4 fingers will be behind. That's what you are going to use to set the pleats, just as I'm doing like this. So you just adjust it to your desired whatever. So this is this and this. So another thing is I cannot find my pin. I'm recording this video in the night, so I can't find my pin. I'll just improvise. So you need office pin for this to hold it down. So you just keep rolling and rolling. So I'll just hold it down. Then I'll bring this. It's going to be a bit difficult for me because I don't have my pins to hold it down. I'm supposed to just leave this, pin it and leave it, then concentrate on this. So guys, just watch what I'm doing. So this will come on it, so I'm going to use this to hold it. So like I said, please make sure that the gele is on your hair, otherwise by the time you are tying, you will not see the gele again. It will just leave your hair. So I'll just keep from behind. I'll just, don't mind me, I'm really sweating. From behind, I'll just bring the pleats. I'll just keep bringing the pleats like this. Then the next one like this. And do not forget that I'm just using experience to do this because I don't have pin right now to hold it down. So just watch what I'm doing, because I don't want the first one I did to fall off. So that's that. I'll just keep going. I'll just keep going. So okay, so this way. So then you stop from behind, you start from here, just keep bringing this like this, then like this, then till you get to the end like this. So like I said, I don't have a style in mind. I don't even know what this would look like, but I know it will come out nice. Okay guys, so I'm going to take this to the back so that I can tie. So when you are making pleats, make sure they are on each other. They are laying on each other. That's when the beauty of the pleats will come out. So I'm just going to tie from behind. So I have this. Remember, I have this. Okay, let me open so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to pick this edge, then this edge to tie. So if you are making this tie, your gele has to be big and long. So I'm going to adjust it because the pleat has scattered, so I'll just set it. So if you have a pin, then you wouldn't be facing this. If you have a pin, you wouldn't be facing this. You just pin it down, then it will just be exactly the way you want it to be. I'm coming. Okay, so I told you it's gonna come out nice. so I'm just going to set this. So this is what I have. I'm just going to set this. So this would be like this, like so. No. So okay, so like this. Okay. So with your pin, you just hold here, you just pin it down, then you pull out this a bit so that it won't be too small. You pull it out a bit. So this is it. I don't have a pin, so I can't go extra mile, but I hope you learn from this. So the back, it depends. If you want your hair to be covered, you cover it. If you do not want your hair to be covered, then you open it. So like my hair is covered now, so you just you pin down the excess. You pin down the excess. You pin it down this way. So we pin down the excess. I hope you can see. So that's the back, and this is the front. So this is the outcome of the gele. Okay guys, so this is the outcome of the gele. I hope you like it. So you can just do this to your outing. So this is what I have. You can just move it a bit so that your hairline can show. Bam, 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 bam. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like this, thumbs up for me, subscribe to my channel, and do have to hit the notification bell so you get notified each time I upload videos like this. See you. Bye.